outside here at the midnight. In the trap, I don't know who the wrist like. You say you wanna come through, cause you shit right. She wanna trap, nigga, she don't want a rich guy. He a shooter, he don't even hold a stick right. I wanna know you had to choose, would you switch sides?
WCP, he's got some shoes. We're gonna make the news. Our new sport. Playing on the court. I do this, man. Yeah, I need 10. You some fans? Man, I'm just playing. Big balling. But I'm balling. Money tall. But I ain't tall. Man, it is raw. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy WCP. And I'm back for another video. That was just a little rap session for y'all because I'm a rapper now, you know what I'm saying? Got new music dropping soon. But yeah, last time I was in this chair, y'all know what we did. We did the little Stadium Goods, legit or not, and it was. So if y'all ain't seen that video, go to my channel and watch it. But yeah, we're back for another shoe video. This time it's not on Stadium Goods. It's on GOAT. This is my first time ordering for GOAT, and I'm gonna tell you my experience and everything like that, and which one I like better, if it's legit or not, in my opinion, and if you guys should order from them. But if I look tired, it's because my allergies messing up everything. Yeah, that's besides the point. Anyways, let's get straight to the video. So this is the box right here. So I ordered this shoe about 3 weeks ago, and it just now got here today. You know, when I seen it got here today, I was like, I gotta make this video. So I hurried up and made this video, right? And after 3 weeks, it really threw me off. It kept taking forever. And then the one thing I didn't like about it was the shipping, the tax, and yeah. But the prices on GOAT is good. I feel like the prices on GOAT is better than Stadium Goods. Stadium Goods, it does tax a lot, but you're guaranteed to get a legit shoe. But yeah, not enough talking, let's get straight to the video. As you guys see, it's kind of open already because I already started opening it. I was like, let me film this video. Alright, so you got some little brown paper on here. I guess protect the shoe. So this is the shoe. Let's get that here. Now, as y'all can see by the box, y'all know what shoe it is. If y'all real sneakerheads, y'all know what shoe this is. If y'all real sneakerheads, y'all know what shoe this is right here. This is Jordan 1s. Now, the reason why I got Jordan 1s is because I really wanted some 1s. The ones I showed you in my last sneaker collection, if I didn't watch that video, they're 1s, but I'm not feeling them. You feel what I'm saying? I don't really like them. But yeah, I got these ones. Y'all probably think these are the Royal Toes. They're not. Sadly, they're not. I wanted the Royal Toes. Woke up when it was on the sneakers app 30 minutes before they dropped. 10 seconds after they dropped, I put buy in my size, and then it says pending and sold out. They tried buying my another website. All the websites were crowded. So I was like, bro, I want some 1s. And then these ones I was looking at a minute. They dropped this year. So some of y'all probably know what these are. I was looking at these for a minute. I was like, let me just get these, and they were for a good price. So when you open it, you got a GOAT sticker, which I like. And then you got this GOAT verification card, where basically they stamp everything, make sure everything. But it looks like they make sure everything is right. So if it's stamped, it's in right. So all the boxes are stamped right here. So it means they verified it. So when I ordered this shoe, it took about 2 days for them, 2-3 days for them to process my order. Then after that, it took a long time to ship, probably like a week or something for it to ship. Week and a half to ship. And then it just got here to me 3 weeks later, which I really didn't like that process, because Stadium Goods takes about a week and a half, which I really like. And also the tax. Now, I know that shipping part is probably because of coronavirus, less staff, whatever. But now the tax, I don't know what's going on with the tax. Maybe this for coronavirus too, but the tax was $12, shipping was $12, $24 tax. Come on, GOAT, you gotta do better, bro. That's too much money, bro. At Stadium Goods, I ain't never paid them. I think Stadium Goods is $10 max, $10-12 max for tax, for both shipping and tax. And but yeah, I was like, it's whatever, bro. because their Ghost prices are cheaper. Like they have better deals than Stadium Goods. But yeah, let's get into this shoe review. Now y'all see what kind of shoe this is. Yes sir, pine green ones. And let's look at this shoe, make sure they're legit. So this the first shoe. Man, these shoes smell good, bro. I love to smell new shoes for some reason. Now this leather right here in the toe feels amazing. Got the little stitched in Air Jordan sign. Red laces right here, which I don't think I will put the red laces on. I'll just stick to black. But yeah. So these shoes right now, these look legit, and they're clean. You know what I'm saying? Let's look at the other shoe. Now this is the other one. Yeah. Everything seems legit. Tell me what y'all think. I think Goat is legit. I just didn't like the shipping process. This is the back. The side views. Front. Boom. So I'm about to do it on feet for y'all, see how they look. Get them with different shorts, shorts, pants, all that stuff. And yeah, see how you guys like these. Let me know how you guys feel about these. I actually like these a lot. I think I was gonna like them as much, but I actually really like these. Let me know in the comments down below what y'all think. I think Goat is legit. They just need to have better ways to handle the shipping and tax, make it faster for the customer. But yeah, I really like this shoe. It looks legit to me, nice, clean. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna get into the on feet. Let's get it.
Hey, Juice, let me know, sir.